Open house Sunday, 9 to 19, from 12 to 2 p.m. This is a must-see property, just minutes from North Bismarck. Check out the oversized, 1,552, 4-stall garage with heat, water, and floor drains. The heated detached shop is 832, 26'X32 fits 2 vehicles plus toys. The home features new LP SmartSide siding and beautiful new vinyl plank flooring on the main floor. The multi-level home has a great layout. The kitchen has newer appliances with a gas range. The master has ample closet space with a 3/4 bathroom. The full bathroom has a laundry chute. The 10'X12 deck and 18'X20 patio is a great area to entertain. The Ponderosa Riverside Association offers access to the river.